Hey, what's up? Would you like to know how to make $50? That's right, 50. So whether you have a PayPal account, whether you have Skrill, or whether you want to send it directly into your bank account, or if you have a Pioneer. Now I'm going to show you how to make $50 just by clicking buttons, pushing buttons, easy click, and you can make $50 right now. So if it's your first time here, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I could share my knowledge. So if this is your first time on this channel, let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from, and make sure you show some love by hitting that bell notification, and make sure you subscribe and also like this video if you do enjoy. So I like to keep simple, plain, straight to the point, and I don't want to waste anybody's time. For my regulars, happy to have you here. It's so good to keep having you watching my videos over and over again. So let's dive into things and let's do this right now. So as I mentioned before, remember, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Hit that bell notification. Let me know in the comments. Just start commenting, right? If you got any questions, feel free. I'm very happy to help you out right away. So let's dive into things. This is my YouTube channel, so make sure you check it out. So here's what I'm going to be talking about. The website that I'm going to share with you is called Test.io. So Test.io, they're fast QA testing as service. So basically they're looking for people to test, they're looking for people to click, and they're looking for people to do a lot of things that they wouldn't do. So they would rather pay you to do some of the work because they're overloaded with a lot of different tasks that needs to be completed. Now they could set up robots and all that type of stuff, but there's no better way than to have a human interact on these different platforms. So here are some of the different companies that they work for, like Lacoste, right? Edmunds, 1-800-Contacts, Revolve. So if you come over here and you could click on the demo to just see exactly what it is. So people are companies that are looking for people to test, try out, find bugs and all that type of stuff. They'll come here, they'll put in their first name, last name, company name. Now, this is not where you would go. This is if someone would like to use their services. But I always like to pinpoint everything so you do not miss. So that way, if you should go on the website, you know exactly where to go, right? So if you come over here, these are some of the resources that we're going to be talking about a little bit later. So I'm going to flick over here real quick. And if you'd like to become a tester, all you have to do, you could click on here, you could sign up, or you could just go up to the top and you could just become a tester. So if you want to become a tester, you could test like the latest apps, the latest websites. You're going to be clicking, you're going to be testing, you're going to be pushing buttons, and you get paid for every issue that you find. Come down here, as I told you before, you could earn up to $50 for every issue that you find. So every time you find an issue, you could make $50 a day, or you can make $50 per issue. So the money does add up. How often do they send tests for you? That is one thing I don't know. But for you, I would highly recommend that you sign up for this. If you have one or more devices at home, make sure you let them know as well, because sometimes you have an Apple Watch, or you got a smartwatch, you got a phone, you got a tablet, you got a computer. Sign up, let them know, so that way you could have multiple tasks being done. You can find bugs and it's not going to be any problem. So as I mentioned, work from home, easily work from home or from your favorite place. So whether you're out in a coffee shop or you want to run errands, you could stop and you could do that right away. So you work the hours that you want, you test the latest apps, push buttons, test buttons, and you can make $50. So the registration to test is in 5 minutes. So first, you want to register and add all the devices that I mentioned. So if you got more than one device, you want to sign up for that. Start your first test as soon as you register. They will send you an invitation right away. So I do think they will send you an invitation by email. You receive your first payout, so that way they're going to pay you, and you get more invitations with different devices and become a testing king. So the better you perform, the better you're going to get, more invitations. So let's, for example, if they send you by email a test. And if you wait and you don't check your email in 24 hours or the next day, unfortunately, they're not going to give you a lot of tests because they're going to say, well, this person is not serious. So you can meet some of the people that are working with test.io. And if you scroll through here, some of the frequently asked questions, and there's some do's, there's some don'ts. How much can it earn? So most tests pay by the bug. You can earn more money for more critical bugs, up to $50 for the most important bugs. And you can also earn guaranteed money by reviewing apps and completing scripts. Now, when do you get paid? This is the only thing. You only get paid once a month. However, once a month in your PayPal, that doesn't mean you can't stack up and get a nice fat check at the end of the month. Maybe you could get like 4, 3, 200, maybe it's $100, maybe it's 1,000, who knows? But it's something that you can add up. You could pay some bills. As I mentioned before, this is not gonna get you super duper rich, but it could stop a gap, man. So right here, you got PayPal, Pioneer, Skrills, and of course you could do bank transfer. What device do I need to test? You'll need access to at least a desktop computer. So if you do have a desktop computer, you're in. Beyond that, the more devices that you have, the more opportunities you will have to test. So as I said, you want to have more than one. If you do have more than one, that's great. If you don't have one, we'll stick with one and try it out, test it out, and see how it works. So some information are down here. So as I said before, become a tester just by click on the sign up tab. You want to create a username, email address, password. Once that is set up, you be ready to go and you could start to test. Now over to the resources area that I mentioned earlier. So here are some of the features like white paper, data sheet, webinar, case study. You can get $50 just by testing these. So once you download them, you will have them. So you have case study, miscellaneous, they have webinar sheets. So all the resources are down here. So if you click on where it says download, connecting test to your developed worksheet, you could come through here and you can read it. Export bugs, right? These accepted bugs report, and then they send it to the issues in tracker. So synchronize comments, monitor bugs, automate new test cycles. So this is what they do. They test bugs on multiple different devices. So bug identify, they fix the bug, they run a test case, pass or fail. If it passed, then boom, they got approved. If it reject, then they fix the details and report all details to the huge company's organization that they are working for. So lots of different information on this. They also do like crowd testing as well. So this is a great website that you can earn some money from. So all my other videos along with this video, sign up for them. Sign up for them, try them out, test them out. And if it works, let me know. But don't just try something for 1 or 2 days or even a week and then just give up. You got to try these things. You got to test it out. And the more work that you put in, and of course, the more results. So again, if you do have multiple different devices, you will get more tests done. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. My name is Andre. Enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your month, and I'll see you in the next video.